Hi, I'm Leyla, your AI avatar. If your AI images look almost great, but the skin is plastic, the eyes feel dead, or the hair turns mushy, stay with me. In the next 10 minutes, I'll give you one simple framework and one copy-paste prompt that fixes 80% of those problems. Ready? Let's make your images stop looking AI.
Hello, I am Caroline, and we promise you this is worth it. By the end, you'll have a 4-part checklist you can speak out loud while you write, and a template you can paste into Nano Banana for photoreal portraits or stylized shots. No guesswork.
Before we dive in, tell me if this is you. You type photorealistic, ultra-high quality, hit generate, and the face looks waxy, the skin is too smooth, the light is flat, and you're stuck tweaking random adjectives. Sound familiar? Good. Let's fix it right now.
Section, framework. Write this down. It's called LAMP. L for lighting, A for angle, M for material, P for postgrade. Here's what each means, super fast. Lighting. Name the type of light and the direction. Soft window light from camera left. Golden hour backlight. Angle. State camera position plus lens feel. Eye level, 85mm portrait look, shallow depth of field. Material. Describe textures so skin stops looking plastic. Natural skin texture. Micro-specular highlights. Crisp hair strands. Postgrade. The finishing look. Subtle filmic contrast. Warm shadows. Neutral skin tones. If you do nothing else, always name light direction and one lens look. Those 2 lines alone upgrade 50% of images.
Section, walkthrough. Let's start with a weak prompt and fix it using LAMP. Weak prompt. Portrait of a woman in a café. Realistic, high quality. This is the result. Not bad for sure, but let's see if we LAMP it. I'll read the whole thing so you can copy it. Warm café portrait. 30-year-old woman reading. Soft window light from camera left with gentle rim. Eye level 85mm portrait look. Shallow depth of field. Natural skin texture with subtle pores and micro-specular highlights. Crisp hair strands. Knit sweater grain. Wooden table detail. Filmic contrast. Warm shadows. Neutral skin tones. Realistic hands. 4K. Hear the difference? We told the model where the light is, how the camera sees, what textures should exist, and how to finish the image. That's LAMP working.
Let's do one more. This time, male outdoor portrait. Sunset street portrait, 35-year-old man laughing, golden hour backlight with soft rim around hair. Eye level 50mm look, medium close-up, shallow DOF, natural skin texture with light stubble detail, individual hair strands, cotton tee fabric grain, slight breeze motion in hair, subtle filmic contrast, warm highlights, clean color, realistic hands holding coffee cup, 4K. Again, light, type and direction, angle and lens, material textures, postgrade, LAMP. You can see a very nice result.
Section, fixing common failures. Trap 1, waxy skin. Fix. Add natural skin texture, subtle pores, subsurface scattering, micro-specular highlights, and avoid stacking vague quality words like ultra, super, mega. Pick texture words instead. Trap 2, flat faces with dead eyes. Fix. Name the direction of light, soft window light from camera left, or angled top light with gentle fall-off. Add catch light in eyes if needed. Trap 3, mushy hair. Fix. Include crisp individual hair strands or defined hair fibers. That single phrase often clears the mush. Trap 4, hands look weird. Fix. Reduce complexity and pin the pose. Hands resting on cup, 5 distinct fingers visible. Trap 5. Over-processed look. Fix. Use a gentle post-grade. Subtle filmic contrast, neutral skin, no over-sharpen.
Section: Quick style variations. Not every image needs photoreal. Keep LAMP. Just swap P for the finish you want. Fashion editorial. Studio fashion portrait. Soft octabox light, 45 degrees from camera left. Eye level 85mm look, half body, satin fabric sheen with visible weave, clean makeup detail, subtle filmic contrast, cool shadows, editorial color grade, 4K.
Cinematic mood. Night street portrait in light rain. Practical neon backlight and soft fill from camera right, 35mm look. Shallow DOF with bokeh. Damp skin micro highlights. Fine hair strands. Cinematic teal amber grade. Soft film grain, 4K.
Stylized, still grounded. Painterly portrait, north-facing window light from camera left, 50mm look, medium close-up, brush stroke texture over natural skin detail, warm matte grade, muted palette, soft paper grain, 4K.
Section. Product and food, same rules. LAMP still wins. Product example. Minimal product close-up of matte black headphone, top-down softbox light with gentle rim, 85mm macro look, shallow DOF, matte rubber texture with fine micrograin, brushed aluminum accents, clean reflections controlled, neutral backdrop, soft studio grade, 4K.
Food example. Rustic pasta bowl on wooden table, side window light with bounce fill, 50mm look, shallow DOF, glossy sauce highlights, distinct noodle texture, steam wisps, warm inviting grade, crisp herb detail, 4K.
Section. Micro challenge. Open your notes. I'll wait half a second. Now write your own LAMP prompt for this idea. Person at a desk. Add. Light type plus direction. Camera angle plus lens look. One material detail, like fabric grain, screen glow, pen texture, and one post-grade line. You have 30 seconds after this video. Do it, then paste it into Nano Banana.
Section. Rapid Q&A. My portraits still look AI. Reduce adjectives, add specific textures and light direction. Try subsurface scattering, subtle pores, micro-specular highlights.
How do I avoid over-sharpened skin? In post-grade, say, neutral skin tones, no over-sharpen, gentle filmic contrast.
What about cartoons or anime? Keep L and A the same. Swap M to flat material and P to tune-shaded lines, clean, flat colors.
Section. Copy-paste templates. I'll read 4 quick templates you can copy. Portrait. Neutral daylight. Natural daylight portrait. Soft window light from camera left with gentle rim. Eye level 85mm look. Shallow DOF. Natural skin texture with subtle pores and micro-specular highlights. Crisp hair strands. Neutral color grade. Realistic hands. 4K.
Portrait. Dramatic, low-key. Low-key portrait. Single softbox, 45 degrees from camera right. Eye level, 50mm look. Medium close-up. Textured skin detail, defined hair fibers. Deep shadows with soft roll-off. Cinematic contrast. Warm skin neutrality, 4K.
Product. Glossy finish. Studio product close-up. Controlled specular highlights. 100mm macro look. Shallow DOF. Glossy lacquer texture with clean reflections. Subtle gradient backdrop. Neutral studio grade. 4K.
Food. Bright and fresh. Top-down food shot. Diffused overhead softbox with bounce fill. 35mm look. Crisp herb detail. Moist surface highlights. Wood table grain visible. Bright, appetizing grade. 4K.
Section. Recap. Remember LAMP. Lighting, angle, material, post-grade. Always name where the light comes from, pick a lens look, add one real texture, and choose a subtle finishing grade. That's how you make AI images stop looking AI. Your next step. Paste one of today's templates into Nano Banana, then tweak the 4 LAMP lines for your scene. I'm Leyla, your AI avatar. Comment LAMP if you want me to send you a printable checklist. Next episode, Style Consistency. How to make a whole series feel like one brand. See you there.